Hello guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to Jennifer World. Guys, today video we are going to be making hot and spicy plantain, guys. Hot and spicy, popularly known as Kelewele. Kelewele is originated from Ghana, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how I make mine. Guys, this recipe, I learned it from one of my friends called Rita. She's from Ghana. I went to her house, I ate this kelewele and I love it a lot. So after then, I'll be preparing it. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare my kelewele, hot and spicy plantain, fried plantain, guys. Well, this one is going to be spicy. So guys, what we have here is you need your ripe plantain, guys. You need your ripe plantain. I'm going to be using 3 ripe plantain. You can use more. So I'm going to be using some onions. Then you need some fresh ginger. Then guys, you need some pepper. It's supposed to be roasted pepper, but I don't have that. I'm going to be using this pepper I have. Then you need nutmeg. Then you need the calabash nutmeg. Then guys, you need some seed of cloves. So guys, what we are going to be blending our dry ingredients together. Then I will blend my ginger and onions. Then I will slice my plantain to tiny pieces. So guys, I will do all this off camera. Then I will come back to show you guys how to prepare Ghana Kelewele. See you guys. Okay guys, here is my sliced plantain already sliced, and here is my blended pepper, nutmeg and cloves, and here is my onions and ginger, guys. So guys, we are going to combine everything together. A bowl. Here is my bowl. So guys, I'm going to combine everything together. I'm going to add my blended onions and ginger. Okay guys, then I'm going to add my blended pepper. So guys, I'm going to add some salt to it. Okay, then I'm going to stir everything together, guys. I'm going to stir everything together. Okay guys, after that I'm going to add my plantain to it, just like that, and give it a stir. I'm going to stir everything together just like this, guys. This is really going to be spicy, guys. Spicy fried plantain. Ghana people call it kelewele. Okay guys, like this. So what we are going to be doing, we are going to cover it, guys. Okay guys, I'll cover it for 15 minutes to marinate. After then we'll be frying it, guys. So I'll cover it just like this for 15 minutes. Then we'll be back to fry it, guys. Okay guys, here is our plantain after marinating for 15 minutes. So we are going to fry it, guys. We are going to fry it right away. This is how it looks. So we are going to fry it. Okay guys, here is my oil already on the fire. It's already hot, guys. So we are going to fry our plantain. So guys, we are going to fry it till it become golden brown guys, till it become golden brown. Okay guys, so to fry it will take you 10 to 15 minutes till it become completely brown guys. So what you will do time to time, be giving it a stir. Just be giving it a stir guys, just like that. It will take you about 10 to 15 minutes till it become golden brown. Okay guys, this is how it looked like. I will be taking out from the fire. It looked like it's burning, but now I'll be putting it in kitchen paper towel so it can absorb the oil guys. Our hot and spicy fried plantain is ready, popularly called in Ghana Kelewele. Guys, try out this recipe, you will love it a lot. It's normal fried plantain, but this one is spicy guys, spicy and yummy. You will love it, and it's usually served with granules. Guys, try this recipe out. I will be glad if you try this recipe out, and let me know in the comment section how you prepared your own fried plantain, popularly called in Ghana Kelewele. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up. Share with your friends guys, share with your loved ones so that they can know about this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. To my returning subscribers, thank you always for coming back to watch my video. I so much Jennifer Ward appreciate you all. Thank you so much guys. Let me not waste your time because I'm going to enjoy this Kelewele. Come enjoy me guys, and I will say until we see in our next video, ciao ciao.